Hello everyone, I am Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about the question answers of the chapter The Teeny Teacher of the book An Alien Hand. So let's start it. So before discussing the question answer, let's understand the English definition of the term wedding flight. The queen ant has a pair of wings but bites them off after its wedding flight. This flight takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant or drone. Male ant is also known as drone. High up in the air, on its return to earth, it gets rid of its wings and then does nothing but lays eggs. So first question, comprehension check, 1 number. The story of Ant's life sounds almost untrue. The italicized phrase means almost untrue का मतलब होता है too remarkable to be true. Then next question, 2 number I. An ant is the smallest. उसके बाद आपको लिखना है the commonest and the wisest insect. Then 2I. We know a number of facts about an ant's life because people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. Coming to question number 3. In what ways is an ant's life peaceful? Ants' life is peaceful in many ways. The ants do their work without disturbing each other. No worker enters to any other's house or vice versa. They never fight with other members in the group. They take care their young ones. Then coming to comprehension check 2, question number 1. How long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? A grub takes 5 to 6 weeks to become a complete ant. First, the grubs become cocoons after 2 or 3 weeks. Then after 3 or more weeks later, it comes out as a complete ant. Coming to question number 2. Why do the worker ants carry the grubs about? The workers carry the grubs for airing, sunshine and exercise. Then coming to question number 3, what jobs are new ants trained for? The new ants are trained for the jobs as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. They got their training from the old ants. Question number 4, name some other creatures that live in anthills. Some other creatures that live in anthills are greenfly, beetle and lesser breed of ants. The ants keep them for playing and for getting honeydew. Some animals are kept to give off pleasant smell to the ants' senses and also sweet juices. The green fly is the ant's cow. Mention 3 things we can learn from the teeny teacher. Give reasons for choosing these items. This is question number 5. We learn hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and a firm loyalty to the land where we live. This is the first point. Second point, they do their jobs without disturbing each other. They don't interfere on others' job. They teach techniques to them and also take care of other ants. Third point, an ant lives only in its own anthill and secure it. Coming to exercise, question number 1I. What problems are you likely to face if you keep ants as pets? We may face several problems in keeping ants as pets because they are very teeny to keep a watch on. They may bite and cause an itchy skin. Make a suitable and safe home of them would not be practically possible. They also spoil food and eatables. 2. When a group of bees finds nectar, it informs other bees of in its location, quantity, etc. Through dancing, can you guess what ants communicate to their fellow ants by touching one another's flippers. Ants appear to greet each other when they move in a single file, but actually they touch the feelers of each other to inform them about the location of food. Coming to question number 2, soldiers live in barracks and birds live in nest. Much like a snake that rests in a hole, no horse is able to sleep except in a stable, and a dog lives well, mind you, only in a kennel. To say hi to an ant, if you will, you may have to climb an anthill. So, this much for today. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.